How do you dress it up and make it attractive against all of the other competitive places? The second, person marketing. There's an agency called William Morris, and a young singer might go to William Morris and say, look, I want to get a hit. I want to appear on Jay Leno's show. I want to move up to being noticed. I want high visibility. I wrote a book with the title High Visibility. So William Morris will look at her and say her performance and maybe say, you know, in a sense, you don't be offended, but we can make you into a better product. That's sort of the language. You know, do your hair differently, walk a little, dress differently. Actually, we're going to use you to reignite the archetype of Joan Baez.